Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, welele 3 points gone. iFIFA ke idecide ukuthathela iBafana Bafana i3 points after boma 10 days bathetha icala lakade buhome kwena ukuthi wadlala against iLesotho kwakungamelanga adlale. Sebathatha i3 points plus ke babafina nemali bafethu isamba semali. So isafa FIFA plus uTeboho kwena iskandali ke esikhulu lesi amanye ama-national team laphana boBenin abo-Nigeria kudala bacomplaina ku-FIFA yaze vele yabheka close lecala lona vele bafowethu noma kuthiwani yabo. So I mean this is sad for South African football. Last month they celebrated heavily or in fact early this month they celebrated kakhulu kubonakala ngathi Bafana vele seyiqualifyile. Guess what, after the 3 points le bayadropa baba na 14 points. So now ama-consequences overall babhadaliswe over 200,000 my-convert is around 216 to 17,000 demand depending on i-exchange rate on the day. I mean bamonile futhi naye uMokoena ukuthi udlale kanjani nama-yellow card bekungamelanga adlale laphana. I mean ila ukuthi Bafana bakwazi bayithathele nje 3 points kuphela. It could have been worse but ke I mean yeah, we are grateful ukuthi ke bathathe 3 points nje kuphela naleyo 200 and something thousand ke. So I mean i-damage le overall for iBafana Bafana bafethu ukuthi babathathele 3 points overall kule qualifying campaign. But kusela ama-match nje awu-2 bafethu next month. Manje in fact in the next 2 weeks manje early October bazodlala Rwanda neZimbabwe and then ke decide ukuthi baya qualify. Mele bawine lama game lawo yi2 but ke manje akusekho ezandleni zabo ukuthi baya qualify or abaqualify bafethu. iBenin mayingashaya iNigeria iwine oyi2 lama game wabo iqualify straight. iBafana Bafana ngeke isa qualify. The only way inga qualify ngayo ukufinisha as number 2 but at the same time babe nama point amaningi compared to abanye number 2 bakwamanye ama group yibo ke laba bazodlala ama playoffs. So ku difficulty ke mase kumele sibamba ama calculator ngempela. If iBenin izowina ama game wabo oyi2 but iBafana Bafana nayo kumele iwine lama game oyi2 ukuthi ube ne chance enkulu even if ifinisha number 2 ye kuma playoffs. But playoffs are complicated ngoba home and away. But yeah, so bona bafethu but si breaking down yonke lento leyo ukuthi ichazani for iBafana Bafana ne-South African football as a whole because isafa they don't care abantu bakhona. There's no way bafethu ku-professional setup kwenzeka iphutha elinje. Kumele kwazi ukuthi obani abanama-yellow card but kusafa kusho ukuthi khona abantu abangawenzi umsebenzi wabo baningi futhi namacala wama-player wathethwa wasolva since 2019. Khona inkinga ngempela eserious kusafa ukuthi labantu abayiranayo are they well equipped ukuthi barane babe kulama positions abakuwo noma banikwa ilokhu njani ikhundla because of omntakabani bazobani because inama department amaningi safa kumele babheke izinto nje basic. So I mean yeah, ukudlalisa uTeboho kwena it was a big problem bafethu bekungamelanga adlale overall. Ama-regulations we-FIFA ya-state clearly ukuthi ma ususpended awukwazi ukudlala ku-official game automatically. I-team yakho bazoyithathela ama-points 3 points and then njengoba babafayinile. This is exactly what happened to iBafana Bafana. Besithola indaba kulo kuthiwa iFIFA ignore. There is no way ekugcineni ba-ignore lento le because kuzobonakala ngathi iFIFA ayikho fair because amanye ama-team bayawafayina overall. Bafana njengoba bengishilo base-celebrate i-victory ngathi beyi-crucial ngempela but i-ruling ye-FIFA ke manje seyivele yashintsha izinto bafethu waphenduka iy'nkomishi. I-ruling ke le FIFA i-strict obviously. It's very important ukuthi umuntu osuspendiwe angadlali but ke irresponsibility yesafa le bekumele banake zonke izinto. I-governing body ye-South African football ehlonishwa kangaka all over the world ukuthi e-Africa I mean abo Zimbabwe abo Lesotho badlala ama-home games wabo lana namanye ama-national teams ba-host izinto ezi-different but bahluleka like i-admin side of ama-player. Kanjani uke wayizaphi lento le but yeah, let's hope njengoba bengishilo akusekho ezandleni zeBafana Bafana ukuthi ya-qualify or kanjani. Yeah, by failing ukuthi ba-track lento le i-suspension babone ukuthi uMokoena kumelanga adlale. Isafa ayikhosanga only iBafana Bafana but kuphela i-damage ayi-credibility le abayibhilde kakhulu bafethu le ku-international stage overall ukuthi hawu labantu laba balwa kangaka egroundini bathola ama-results but bahlulwa i-admin behind closed doors. That's just foolish. But ke sithemba ukuthi ayikho into esizoyithemba futhi because iBenin yawina yi-2 amagame wayo. Bafana i-chance ukuthi i-qualify kuzoba very difficult nanokuthi baye kuma-playoffs bafike nje into ende. That's why ngithi sokumele manje kube nama-calculator. But hayi sobona bafowethu, sobona. Asithembe ukuthi bazowawina amagame wabo lawa ayi-2 asele and then-ke konke sokuzobe sokulele kuphi kuBenin ukuthi yona idlala kanjani. So kumele manje sithathe amathemba siwabeke kwenye i-national team ezobe i-motivated ngoba manje seyihleli ku-number 1. Asazi ukuthi i-warning ukuthi la bayamona uMokoena bamona kanjani, but important to note that-ke uMokoena bekangazi or didn't pay attention, didn't calculate or bekangawazi ama-rules. Akakwenzanga direct enza into ayaziyo naye overall. In most cases ama-player phela rely ku-association ukuthi ba-inform about i-status zabo ukuthi mfethu wena uyaqualify ukudlala la, wena uqualify ukudlala la. But-ke I mean still i-FIFA i-warning signals ku-player iyabonisa ukuthi kumele ne-player lithathe i-responsibility yokuthi azazi ukuthi i-disciplinary record yakhe ukuthi ahamba kanjani overall. I mean this could be a wake up call for yena uMokoena as an individual ukuthi naye abheke ukuthi okay this season senginamayelo khathi angaka, mangenza iphutha manje-ke ababali nokubala uMokoena. Hhayi neSAFA nayo-ke isidisappointile bafowethu, but umbuzo omkhulu-ke overall ukuthi i-campaign yeBafana kwenzakalani ngayo because before i-deduction bokuyi-straight forward ukuthi baya-qualify. Straight forward i-win le against iLesotho bafethu yebanika i-momentum ne-confidence ukuthi abangenile. Bebadinga nje strong last win because iBenin siyazi ukuthi izodlala i-match difficult against iNigeria. So sokulele kuma-calculate. But for now 3 point njengoba ihambile Bafana idrobhe ku-second laphana position number 2 nge-goal difference. Ba-level on ama-points neBenin but-ke njengoba ngishilo batrela nge-goal difference. Asikakapheli i-story sa-developer sikhulu in terms of mangithi sikhulu i-story ngichaza ukuthi kusazodlalwa isazodlala i-TV ngempela strong amagame ayi-2 120 minutes azodecide ngempela ukuthi iyiphi team eya ku-FIFA World Cup laphana e-America. Setback for South Africa and Bafana but-ke sithemba ukuthi they will just have to win the 2 games. Imagine kunzima kanje kunama-qualifier bafethu ba-draw against Nigeria, but even manje iNigeria after lama-points deduction nabo msure baya-celebrate laba khona because this gives everyone egroupini iBenin Bafana iNigeria ukuthi Nigeria potentially iNigeria yazi ukuthi kumele iyishaye iBenin ukuthi ibe ne-chance, kumele iyishaye iBenin ukuthi stand at least ikwazi ukuphefumula kancane isho ukuthi banayo i-chance, kumele iyishaye. Like egroupini igroup yeBafana se-unpredictable-ke kakhulu manje, but isithemba ukuthi ayikho futhi into esizoyithemba. Hayi Bafana isiphoxile man. Hayi bahlulwa into esimple nje ukuthi balungise iy'nkinga zabo babheke ama-player, but okwamanje ngizozibamba lana. Hayi sobona ukuthi bazo-react kanjani. What a setback. Imagine you doing everything behind the scenes ukuthi uqualify but-ke hayi I think isibambelana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.